Hi guys, we're out today in Chiang Mai at one of my favorite restaurants, Huen Jai Yong. I've been coming to this restaurant for about 12 years and overall it's changed dramatically within 12 years, but it's less than a stone's throw from where I live. The food quality is still the same. It's excellent. Guys, we're normally in the kitchen, but today I'm taking you out. You're gonna have a look around at one of my favorite Northern Thai restaurants. So let's come and have a look.
Most of the restaurant seating is actually under the Lana house. It does help to stay cool during the summer months actually.
The first one on my list is my favorite, Hanlay curry, and then we'll order a chicken. Okay.
Now the food does come fairly quickly because most of it's already pre-cooked, so it's easy to serve up, and a lot of it are soup dishes or curry dishes. Now the blue dishes are not pudding, it's actually rice, and it's stained with butterfly pea, which is a flour.
Cup finished. Thank you.
Now Northern Thai meals are eaten with sticky rice. Here we have the purple rice and the normal white rice.
Right, this is my favorite curry. Hanlay curry. It's always been absolutely superb. You've got pickled garlic, ginger, tamarind, huge chunks of pork belly. Also, garlic and onions and pickled garlic. Look at that, so tender pork. Whoa, unbelievable. Oh, absolutely fantastic. Prick ong, traditional northern dish. Got to be eaten with sticky rice. So basically you take your sticky rice and you stick your thumb in it and you make like a little spoon shape, and then you put in your prick ong. Oh, full of tomatoes. Absolutely delicious.
Naim pork with egg.
Naim pork. Got the egg in there, pig skin. Naim's made with garlic, fermented for a couple of days. Absolutely superb flavour. A northern speciality. It's superb. This whole table is full of quality northern food. Northern dish, lab moo. It's minced pork, a lot of herbs. You've got some fried up garlic in there, and some fried up shallots, and you've got all the intestines and everything all mixed together. Oh, full of herbs, absolutely delicious. Pakwan. Now pakwan actually means, pakwan is sweet vegetables. So there's not much sweetness in here, it's actually from the vegetables. And this broth is really, really, really tasty. It's a fantastic dish. This one, guys, is Chenda Pad Thai. Okay, it's local vegetables with egg. So let's give it a try. Oh, that's new to me, and that is one of my favorites. It's like an omelette full of vegetables. It's absolutely delicious. That I really, really, really like. That is superb. No.
Here we have Gaeng Hanlay with fish, Gaeng Hanlay Kla.
Basically it means everything mixed in. So you've got all the fish in here and all the local vegetables in a broth. Oh, a little bit of spice. Delicious. Gaeng Ho. Now Gaeng Ho is actually a curry that's made from all the leftovers. What happens is when all the family and everybody get together, they get all the curry together and all the vegetables and they throw it in the pan, and then you get Gaeng Ho. And in the Northern Gaeng Ho, normally, or in this restaurant, you will have Hanlay curry inside it as well. And obviously you've got the pork crackers as well. Absolutely superb. And if you look in there, all the vegetables, the chilies, everything is thrown in. Pork. Let's try this. You've got all the glass noodles in there with the vegetables, okay? And we got the pork in there as well. Absolutely delicious. Oh, really, really good. Really good.
This is Gai Nung. Now Gai Nung is free range chicken.
Gai Nung is steamed chicken, and it's steamed chicken in a lot of herbs. Dish out like it.
Well, that's the end of a fantastic meal. Now it's nearly time to have a walk around the house and gardens. So let's show you around. A big thanks to my technical director as usual.
Guys, 12 years ago I sat on this bench for the first time, and out the back of here was all the fields growing all the vegetables that they used to eat in the restaurants. This is all that's left of the big fields that used to have all the vegetables in. They've got this tiny bit, and I suppose that's just the way of the evolution. The restaurant has become so popular that they do not grow everything here like they used to do 12 years ago. This restaurant has my favorite all-time Hanlay curry. And when I first came here 12 years ago, the curry was actually cooked by the mother in the back of the garages over there. So 12 years ago, it's come from that side of the road to this side of the road where they have the restaurant. The restaurant has completely changed over the last 12 years, but if you look right up there in the top behind, you can still see the remains, or not even the remains, but the old Lana style house, which was the original restaurant.
There are other rooms, but most of the seating is actually under the floor of the old Lana house. You can actually sit upstairs as well, and in a couple of aircon rooms, but most of the atmosphere is downstairs. Right guys, this is original old Lana kitchen. This is where they used to cook in this house originally upstairs, and this is very special, so we'll just show you this. Now basically, if I take this pot off, I take the pot off there, inside here you have 3 stones. There's your 3 stones, and there's your fire, and then they put the pot on the top of here. Then what you've got here, guys, above the fire, this is where they kept all the dry ingredients, and it wouldn't be affected by the bugs or anything, because the smoke from the fire underneath would come round. So the smoke would come round and the bugs wouldn't be able to live there, so it wouldn't infest or infect any of the dry goods above. And as with all Lana kitchens, they used every available space. And up here, all the crisscross is where they would hang all the dry goods and everything. And this is an old-fashioned coconut shredder, where you would just sit sideways on like this, and it's usually a woman's job. You know, men don't usually do this, it's a woman's job. But you would sit side on, get the coconut, and basically grind out the coconut, so you would end up with a bit of coconut for your various curries and various dishes. Right, the house has actually been preserved pretty well. It actually looks like a museum. It's got a lot of old relics and antiques in, and it is a fantastic visit to walk around and have a look. It's got the original bedroom upstairs with the kitchen. It's actually very, very nice. And at the back of the restaurant there is an art gallery now with a lot of paintings and artwork in. Definitely worth a visit if you like Thai art. Right guys, that's it. I hope you've enjoyed looking around my favourite Northern Thai restaurant, Huen Jai Yong, as much as I've enjoyed showing you. If you have, and you like what we're doing, don't forget, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Come on, come on, come on, Chiang Mai. Unbelievable. Beep beep. Okay.